How to trade in TradingView. Now, in order to trade in TradingView, you just simply need to open your TradingView app and then go over your chart option. After going in chart, you will see this options of sell and buy into the very top left corner. Simply select whichever option that you would like to try. I'm selecting sell right here, and after selecting the sell or buy option, you can choose either market, limit or stop, whichever type of trade would you like to perform. Then you can select shares and amount of currency that you have in order to acquire the share, and you can also set up exit price and stop loss price and many more other customizable option. Then tap to either sell or buy depending on what you have chosen. Then this is how you can easily trade in TradingView. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.